Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing fit and preparing tools. Try left and right buds to feel seating, because a loose fit is often dust or wrong tip size. Once done, clean silicone or foam tips and your ear with a dry cloth. Oils reduce friction and cause slipping. Make sure to have spare sizes, foam upgrades, or stabilizing wings ready. These are inexpensive and change the pressure profile in your ear, which is why the next adjustments will stick better. You now adjust the insertion and modify components. Swap to memory foam tips for better expansion, or try a larger silicone tip for a deeper seal, because a proper seal holds by friction and sound isolation. Once you choose a tip, insert with a gentle twist and a slight forward angle to seat the stem under the concha. Make sure to attach small stabilizer wings or retainers. They anchor to the ridge of your ear and prevent vertical dislodging during movement. You finish by testing and finalizing. Play audio and perform movement tests. Walk, jog, tilt your head to confirm stability, because real motion exposes weak fits. Once satisfied, set a routine. Clean tips weekly and replace foam every few months to keep grip. If slipping persists, try adhesive ear hooks or custom molds for stubborn ears. If all else fails, troubleshoot by checking for debris in mesh or Bluetooth connection changes, since mechanical loss is different from pairing or battery issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.